guys, it's me, Crystal Whitlow from Print My Party, and today I want to show you how you can make this cute little gingerbread party favor box. It's really easy. All you need to do is hop on over to my Etsy shop where you can download this file, and then you will need a printer, an X-Acto knife, a folding bone, a ruler, and also a cutting mat so you do not scratch your surface. So alright, so once we get all those things, let's get started. So first what you want to do is you want to print out your patterns. Mine is going to be pink because I ran out of yellow ink. Otherwise it will turn out looking like this. If you have no yellow ink, it will look pink. So we're just going to roll with it because that's how life happens. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to see how on this piece of paper there are a bunch of little arrows marking the lines. Those little arrows are going to be where you need to use your ruler and your folding bone to make creases on the paper. I am using 110 stock paper that's pretty heavy. You might have to order it from a paper store. Generally Office Max doesn't carry that heavy of paper, but it's a good craft size. So first what I'm going to do, if you guys can see okay, I am just going to quickly go through and score all of my lines. So now that everything is scored out, we are going to go ahead and use our ruler and our X-Acto knife to cut the to cut it out of the paper. So now that it is cut out, we're just going to fold the opposite direction that we just scored the paper. So we want to like reinforce all of those fold marks that we just made. So there's one side, and now we're going to do the same exact thing with this one. Okay, so now we have both sides cut out, and now this is where you're going to need your glue. I'm going to be using this glue because that's what I have, but if you have adhesive tape, that works really well, so that way it doesn't get a little messy. So now you should have everything kind of folded, and we are just going to line up the skinny tab that's on the side here with the empty side. So it should be this window next to the gingerbread man. So I am just going to go ahead and glue that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now once you have those glued together, your box should look like this, and now you are ready to glue the bottom. So what you're going to do is just fold in those bottom pieces, and then we're going to glue, or you could just tape it too, but we're going to go ahead and glue it because gluing's fun. So now we're going to do the top. Now you should have folded or scored these little triangle spots like this here and on this side as well, because the top part is going to fold in like a milk carton. So what you're going to have to do, it's a little tricky, but you're going to have to like kind of pinch it. So just kind of like where all this crease section comes together, where it has the triangle. Sorry, no, there's like a glare on it. But the top of the triangle right here, if you just kind of push that in, then it should start to fold in on itself. And then that should make it easier to kind of pinch that together. Now remember, if you're going to put something in this, you're not going to want to glue this part. So what's really handy is if you do what I did on this box, just take a hole punch and punch it up here, and then you can tie it off with some ribbon. So yeah, that's all there is to it. That is our cute little gingerbread house. And you can use this for a Christmas party if you're having like a little giveaway. It's a cute little box. I'm sure you can put lots of stuff in here. So yeah, so definitely go check that out on printmyparty.com. Print My Party Studio on Etsy. And yeah, and so let me know what you think, and I would love to hear from you guys. All right, have a wonderful holiday season. Bye.